baby?
Hi, that's my name.
That's funny, huh?
That is funny.
You were surprised that voice came out of you.
I was. It's such a weird voice, and not really mine.
Well.
Those are treats.
Yes.
I like treats.
Yes.
Hey, you know what? I may be a little bit older, but let me tell you, I got energy.
Well,
I do things around here.
you're older.
Yeah, look at it. See the gray and stuff? Aren't they? Or maybe not. I don't know. You tell me. You're a human.
I can't remember.
Oh, all right. Well, anyways, I've got energy.
You absolutely have energy.
And I do things all day. And I like these.
I see.
What are these?
Vegan strips.
Vegan strips. I love vegan strips.
And you're not noisy like all these other dogs.
Nope.
Right.
I'm not noisy at all.
Oh.
Because, you know, I'm a good girl. I just have a lot of energy.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, this is fun.
Ooh.
Do you like my ears?
Ooh.
Oh, and I go around and around.
I do love your ears.
All right, well, find me at home.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.